Hello and welcome. This is your quick guide to the video AI tool in mnml.ai. How to animate your rendered image. Check the interior AI tool guide to see how we turn this sketch into this render in just seconds. Step 1. Go to the video AI tool. Upload your rendered image or simply drag and drop it. Step 2. Choose the movement type, pan, zoom in, zoom out, horizontal, vertical. Step 3. Choose the camera movement direction, none, no direction, left, right, up, or down. Step 4. Add prompt. Describe your image. Is it a living room, restaurant, office, etc.? You can also add dynamic elements like wind, moving the curtains, or specify camera motion, for example, cinematic mood or fast motion. Camera movement, for example, right direction with a 360-degree angle. You can also generate a prompt automatically and fine-tune it manually. Then add the unwanted elements in negative prompt. Final step, click generate. And that's it, from a rendered image to a stunning animation in seconds.